everyone, I'm Jetal from Housey and today we'll be talking about our biggest growth story in North Bangalore, the KIADB Aerospace Park. What is it? What's happening there? And why it's attracting most businesses and investors across India. So before diving into it, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start by understanding what exactly KIADB is. So KIADB stands for Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. It's a government-planned industrial and aerospace hub in North Bangalore near Kampegowda International Airport. So right now I'm standing in the main entrance of our KIADB Aerospace Park. So this will be the entrance and this land goes up to 3,000 acres of massive land parcel. It's a part of Special Economic Zone, that is SEZ, a planned area to attract aerospace companies, manufacturing, defense, high-tech companies to boost export and even create jobs. Think of it as a dedicated growth engine. Companies make aircraft parts, do R&Ds, work on aviation and create innovation all at one place. Additionally, residential and commercial ecosystem are developing here as well, all to create work, live and invest environment. KIADB is divided into 4 parts like Aerospace Park, Hardware Park, IT Park and Residential Zone. Now let me break down this. First one is Aerospace Park. Already many Indian and global aerospace companies have been operating here. Out of them, one is Boeing India Engineering Techno Center, Dynamic Technologies, Airbus, Star India, Calling Technologies and more 30 companies are over here. IT Parks, which include SAP Limited. So just behind me is the SAP Limited over here. Other companies like Wipro Limited and upcoming Infosys. Additionally, there are 10 more companies in this area. Third one is Hardware Park, which includes Amazon, Shell India, Sysmos Health Technologies. Likewise, the list goes on. Residential zone. Now because thousands of professions work here, big builders are building their projects right over here. Some of the key projects are Prestige Finberry Park and Brigade Eldorado are already delivered and residences are residing over here. Some under construction projects are like Godrej Ananda, Acid Sora and Saki, Kalyani Living Tree, other like Provident Ecopolitan and Genurise North Park. Even we have upcoming projects in KIADB like Purva Flow by Purvankara Group, other 2 projects by Satwa Group and Nico Homes, that is Bhartiya Urban Developers. Now here's the investment story and it's strong. Why you should invest in KIADB Aerospace Park? Massive employment growth, like thousands of jobs are created and many more to come as companies are expanding over here in KIADB. Airport proximity, minutes away from Kampegowda International Airport, great for logistics and connectivity. Infrastructure planning, wide roads, utility and planned growth make it a future-ready living. Residential demands, professionals working in KIADB needs home, so your rental and resale value demand will be high. So it's easy. Job attracts people, which attracts housing demand and which eventually attracts investor as well. So if you want to take advantage of this development, then quickly drop down on www.housey.com for your personal guide.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.